DU Admissions 2021, Delhi University cutoff next week, no best of 4 formula, marks deduction rules. The University of Delhi, DU, is expected to release its first cutoff list by October 1st. The schedule for admissions and cutoffs is expected to release this week. DU admissions for most undergraduate courses are based on Class 12 merit. The varsity takes into account the best of 4 formulae, meaning the percentage of the top 4 scoring subjects in Class 12 are considered for the admissions. This is also known as the best of 4 formulae. As a thumb rule, while choosing the best of 4, candidates need to select 4 subjects, 1 from language, and 3 best academic subjects. It must also include the subject for which the student is seeking admission. For instance, if a student is applying for a BA Honours in a language subject, the particular subject and 3 other electives need to consider for the best of 4. If he has not studied a language at the qualifying examination level and is seeking admission to an honours course in that language, a deduction of 5% will be imposed on the best 4 aggregate percentage. For other honours courses, 1 language subject and 3 other subjects, that must include the subject one is applying for, will be considered best of 4. However, based on the specialization of the course, students who have added the relevant subject marks of Class 12, as many as 2.5% marks will be deducted from the total percentage. There are some subjects for which candidates may not study the relevant course. This includes BA Hons, Applied Psychology and Psychology, for which psychology will be considered. For BA Hons, Social Work and BA Hons, Philosophy, no specialized subject will be considered. For BA Hons, Economics, students must have cleared Math in 12th. While for most courses, if a student includes any course apart from those listed by DU, marks are deducted. However, for BA program, students can include these subjects without any deduction. If more than 1 non-listed subject is included for calculation of best 4, a deduction of 2.5% each in best 4 may be levied. For vocational subjects, 1 language, mathematics, and 2 related vocational subjects will be considered. If an applicant has added 1 vocational course, a 2% advantage will be given in the best of 4, while those who have studied more than 1 related vocational subject, they will get an additional 1% marks added. For BCom/BCom, they must include 1 language subject and 3 other subjects that must include 2 of these: mathematics, business mathematics, accountancy, economics, and business studies or commerce. Inclusion of any other subject, apart from these, 1% will be deducted. If a student adds another language subject, 2.5% marks will be deducted.